Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith's Dream Crate, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a cleaning video for you, and in today's video you're also going to get a updated view of my craft room slash craft space here in my living room. We recently moved it from the craft room to the living room so my daughter could have a room of her own. So this is the state of the craft room. Super messy. I was hoping that I would be able to keep it clean in here, but with the craziness of life, it is still getting messy, and I thought I would go ahead and give you some cleaning motivation. And I'm also going to be decorating for Valentine's Day in this video, so stay tuned to the end to see that. The floor was super messy, and there's going to be a guest appearance in this video from one of my kiddos as well. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So started with cleaning off my desk. And so the piece of furniture behind me, you will see it a little bit more as we keep cleaning here, but it is a fold out dining room table, and the flaps fold up, and there is 4 cubes underneath where I can store different things. Right now there is nothing stored on the one side because if I do open it up, I don't want my daughter grabbing out things or getting into crafting supplies. But it is super great, super sturdy. It gives me an extra tabletop, and I'm able to baby-proof the space safely. And then we have the gate towards the side as well, and then another gate near my son's desk. It don't look pretty per se, but because the space is now in my craft room, it functions and it keeps the baby away from crafting supplies and paper and all of that. She's almost 11 months old, but that is the age where they get into it all. So keeping her there and keeping her happy with her toys on the other side is what we were going for. So tidying up my desk, getting it ship shape from current projects, and organizing all those supplies. So right off of my desk is the couch, and I definitely get to cleaning up my craft room quicker these days for the most part, because when I'm hanging out with my family here or we're watching the show, I see the mess and it drives me crazy. So I try and stay on top of it, but there's just some days where it doesn't happen. So when I'm sitting here and I see the mess, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna put that one thing away and I will put these other things away. So I do organize it slowly, but it just gets to this point where I need to sit down and I need to do it. So that's what happened with this video, and I'm bringing you along. And also really had an idea to do some Valentine's Day decor in here. If you watched my clean with me for Valentine's Day last year in my craft room, I'll have that link down below. I decorated these shelves in the craft space, and there was a lot more decorations going on. It was very busy but very fun, whereas this year it's going to be more simple and not so cluttered. So it's definitely refreshing and very nice. So I was putting away a bunch of little stamps here and aligning them all up. It was a very tedious job, but it needed to get done so they didn't get lost. So I definitely have a lot of videos coming your way, Bible journaling and card making and all of the things in between that are crafty. I'm just getting back into the groove of things here and organizing my home and my life for the new year. How do you get organized for the new year? What are some of your goals for this year? Let me know in the comments below. So there you just saw me melting some of my son's melting beads with the iron, and here he is making his guest appearance and cleaning up his space. I wish he could move this fast when he cleaned up. This is super sped up for editing purposes, but I wish kids could clean up this fast in a not so crazy manner. He is very dedicated and very obsessed with these perler beads, but he does such a great job and he loves it. He's so creative, and my other son is getting so creative too and has such a great imagination. I just love the creativity that flows out of them, and I love that art fills our home, and it just brings all of us so much joy. And my husband is musical as well, so there's creativity just flowing, and I love that. But now he's just putting away some of the new designs, and he has a little box, and then we also just started hanging some up in his room, and we made some into magnets and some into keychains as gifts, so it's been super fun seeing all of that. And then I'm just cleaning up the floor here. And getting that all ship-shape. And this was a balloon that had all these little foam pieces in here, and so I popped it, and I was going to go ahead and keep them for some shaker cards, a Recycle With Me shaker card, and it exploded. I didn't expect that, so yes, I went ahead and saved them in my little sequence organizers. I might be crazy, but it's gonna look fun. So I didn't show you all of that, but so now just tidying up a little bit later here, finishing up when I could. And then I'm gonna go ahead and decorate after all of the things are put away. And after I wipe down my surfaces. So you can see the new table there a tiny bit more, and I will show you that throughout my videos. I'm sure when I do more cleaning videos, you'll see more glimpses of that, and I will show you how it folds out and stuff. I do plan on doing an updated craft room / space video as soon as I can get that up, so stay tuned for that as well. And I will give you a full tour of that. So I'm just wiping down this table now, and then you can see right there that my living room carpet, where all the baby's toys and all of that are right next to there. I'm just wiping down this table. It had a bunch of paint on it, not a bunch, but a little bit of paint on it. And then just putting the iron away from melting all of those melting beads. And then I will sweep the floor. I still get very messy in this space because life happens, but the mess is more contained because of the baby proofing. And I try and stay on top of it, but it don't happen. So there we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and start the decorating. So I picked up this heart banner. The hearts are wooden. I picked this up from Dollarama, which is a Canadian dollar store here, similar to Dollar Tree, but things are $1.25 to $4. I believe this was $3.50. I thought it would look perfect here, and I wasn't sure, but I really like how it turned out, so just getting that ready. And then this is a sign that says, "This is my happy place," and I used this on last year's Valentine's Day Decorate With Me, and just popped it up there over the flowers. And then I used these in my Clean With Me video for Valentine's Day last year as well. These are just some hearts that hang down in their little mirrors, and I've had these forever, and so I pulled those out and added them, and I just really like how it flows. The silver catches the silver in the word happy, and it just all flows together and creates a fun and simple space. And then I went ahead and grabbed these heart picks as well. I had these last year in my video as well. I put them into a little truck, but I thought it'd be fun to add some color and some of that Valentine's Day theme down here as well on my desk. So just pop these into the Faith Dream Create flower vases or pots that I have here that I created. I have a video to those as well. I can link to it in the description box if you would like to check that out. And then that finishes off the Valentine's Day decor. Also put the flower vase there with the pink and white flowers to bring in a little bit more springy and Valentine's Day feel, those colors of Valentine's Day. So everything is looking super decorated and simple for Valentine's Day, and everything is nicer compared to what it was. So I hope this video gave you some cleaning motivation for the start of February and maybe some inspiration to spruce up your craft space for Valentine's Day. You could definitely leave that heart banner up all year. I really like it. I don't want to take it down. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, if it gave you that cleaning motivation that you need, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will be posting at least once, if not twice a week. As a life happens, I will post when I can. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.